Hi, it's Bryan, your Palm Springs real estate agent. Today we are in Tahquitz River Estates. We're looking at a home that's been totally redone, totally reinvented per se, mid-century flair to it, ready to move in. I mean, it's amazing. We're going to take a look at it at around 1.3 million, and it's not going to be on the market for very long. Inventory is very tight right now in the Palm Springs market. So let's look at this, and I will love your comments at the end of the video. Thanks.